Hello everyone, welcome to Inspiron Technology. I'm Neha. I am MCA from IGNOU. Here are my specialization networking concepts, C language, HTML. In this video, we are going to talk about the concept of computer networking. Let's break the term computer and network. Network is a group or system of interconnected people or things. Computer network is a group of computer and peripheral devices connected through a data communication system. A computer network facilitates the sharing of hardware and software resources among different users working on different computers. These shared resources can be data files, any application software on hardware devices like a printer, modem, scanner, and so on. So now, what is the advantages of computer network? Hardware sharing. In hardware sharing, we can share almost every peripheral device, such as printer, scanner, modem, CD writer, among several computers. All these devices are attached to a remote server, which is shared among multiple computers. This reduces the cost of hardware. In software sharing, every application software can be installed on the main server rather than installing it on every computer individually. Computers in a network can share the required software for the server. This technique saves cost as well as time, reduces redundancy. Since people uses the same data in common workplace, they can share it over a network by saving and storing it centrally. This also reduces the redundancy of the same data. Redundancy is when we use two or more words together. That means the same thing. It is called a redundancy. Save paper and time. Network reduce the need for generating multiple hard copies of the same document. People working in a common workplace can share reports through the network, which saves both time and paper. Internet sharing. A network reduces the cost of installing internet facility on an individual computer. A corporate internet connection is powerful enough to provide internet access to all computers in a network. All systems can enjoy the benefits of the internet in a network. Security. Since the server contains all the software, the security of the server is of great importance. If we take care of the data on the server, then all the corresponding data in that network becomes secure. Computer network components. First हमारे पास server, then client, then NIC and mode of connection. What is a server? Server is a powerful computer with high speed and great processing capability. There can be multiple servers in a computer network. Servers can link other computers or electronic devices together to provide important services to both private and public users. Next, client. A client is a computer system which uses a network to access a remote service from the server. It can access all the applications or information from the main server. A client is also known as node. NIC, network interface card. It is a small piece of computer hardware which facilitates the communication between different computers over a network. The NIC identifies every single node in a network by providing a unique physical address to it. This address is stored on the chip, which is mounted on the card. Mode of connection. Computer network can be classified on the basis of both hardware and software technologies, which is used to interconnect the individual devices in a network such as fiber, optical fiber, Ethernet, wireless LAN. All the nodes in a network are connected through basic hardware components such as NIC, bridges, hubs, switches, and routers. Now, unique identifier of network हमारा क्या क्या है? Host name, IP address, DNS server, MAC address, and port. Host name क्या होता है? Host name हमारा every devices of a network is associated with a unique device, which is called host name. Now, IP address. It is an unique identifier for each device on the internet. The IP addresses की लेंथ जो होती है वो हमारी 32 बिट्स की होती है एंड IP वर्जन 6 जो है उसकी लेंथ हमारी 64 बिट्स की होती है. And DNS server, DNS stands for domain name system. It is a server which translates URL means uniform resource locator or web addresses into their corresponding IP addresses. MAC address, media access control. Address is known as a physical address. ये हमारे physical address होता है जो कि हम लोग every machine को means NIC को हम लोग देते हैं. और जनरल लेंथ ऑफ मैक एड्रेस इज 12 डिजिट. इसकी जो हमारी 12 डिजिट की लेंथ होती है. Port is a logical channel which allow network users to send or receive data to an application. Every host can have multiple applications running. Each of these applications are identified using the port number on which they are running. There are two important network components, ARP और RARP. ARP means ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, which helps network users to convert the IP address into its corresponding physical address. RARP, Reverse Address Resolution Protocol, gives an IP address of the device with given a physical address as input. Now, disadvantages of using computer network. Here, मैंने आपको यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स केवल मेंशन करे हैं और आप देख रहे होंगे कि मैंने ये जो 2 पॉइंट्स हैं ये ब्लैंक छोड़े हुए. वो क्यों? वो इसलिए कि आप उसको फाइंड आउट करके कमेंट सेक्शन पे जरूर लिखिए. एंड फर्स्ट तो मैंने इसमें जो आइडेंटिफाई किया है वो हमारा ये है कि जब हम उसको हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर को पूरा इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो वो जो हमारी कॉस्ट आती है बहुत ज्यादा आती है. एंड सेकेंड, अगर हम प्रिकॉशंस नहीं लेते हैं लाइक फायरवॉल का, इंक्रिप्शन का, तो हमारा डेटा रिस्क पे रहता है. इंक्रिप्शन मतलब होता है कि हम अपने डेटा को एक कोड के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्रिप्शन. और ये जरूरी क्यों है? क्योंकि अगर हम इंक्रिप्शन नहीं करेंगे अपने डेटा को तो हमारा डेटा हैक हो सकता है, लॉस हो सकता है. एंड फायरवॉल हमारा क्या करता है कि ये अनवांटेड फाइल्स को नेटवर्क पे आने से रोकता है. यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, यहाँ भी मैंने आपको 3 पॉइंट्स ही दिए हुए हैं. 2 पॉइंट्स आपके लिए छोड़े हुए हैं कि आप इनको भी फाइंड आउट करके कमेंट सेक्शन में प्लीज मुझे बताइएगा. ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय.